Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz and I want to thank you for being here for this tutorial on working with rules in Microsoft Outlook. In this tutorial, our third in a series of tutorials, once you've created rules in Microsoft Outlook, you might want to come back in and look at those rules or modify them. So I am on the Home tab right now and I want you to observe right here where it says Rules, and I'm going to click on this drop down. And from this, I can create a rule, but I can also manage rules and alerts. So I'm going to click on that. Once I get inside here, here's some of the rules that I've created and some of the alerts. And actually, I haven't created alerts because it's just not something I need or feel I need. But when you click on this, you can come inside and you can delete them, you can change the rule, you can copy it, you can run the rules, and you have some other options as well, so that if you want to export them to save them, you can do that. Recently, that's what I did. I exported the rules because after having so many rules, you sort of lose track of what you have. Sometimes you just want to go through them again and remind you what you've done, just so that if maybe something that is going into one folder because you sent it there today, maybe, or maybe in the past, maybe today it's more important, so you want to modify the rule. So go in and look at the rules, or this is where you can modify them, just so you're aware of that. Simple tutorial. Wanted to show you this. Ladies and gentlemen, have a great day. Thank you much.